Welcome to Recipes for You, where nature's secrets meet your beauty routine. Today we're crafting a skin-loving toner and cream to smooth wrinkles and refresh your glow. Imagine pampering your skin with pure ingredients from your own kitchen. This is your moment to bring the spa experience home, naturally and effortlessly. Stay with me as we unlock each step of this rejuvenating recipe. By the end, your skin will thank you with a radiant, youthful look. To begin this journey of beauty, you'll need a fresh cucumber as our hero ingredient. Its crisp, cooling nature is the first step to awakening tired, dull skin. Cucumber hydrates deeply, like a drink of water for your skin cells. It also eases puffiness under the eyes, revealing a more rested look. Take your cucumber and grate it finely to release its cooling essence. The scent alone will feel like a mini spa treatment in your kitchen. Now, press the grated cucumber gently to extract every drop of juice. This liquid gold is the foundation of our skin-reviving blend. Every sip of cucumber juice for your skin is rich in antioxidants. They work silently to protect you from early signs of aging. It calms irritation, eases redness, and brings back harmony to your complexion. With each use, your skin feels more at peace and less stressed. Before we go further, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love knowing our beauty journey connects hearts across the world. Next, we welcome parsley into our beauty ritual, fresh and vibrant. This humble herb hides powerful secrets for radiant skin. Parsley bursts with vitamin C to brighten your skin tone. It gently fades dark spots, revealing a more even glow. Its chlorophyll acts like a detox for your skin from within, flushing out impurities. It leaves your face looking fresher. Parsley also helps your skin produce more collagen naturally. This keeps wrinkles away and maintains youthful firmness. Combine the grated cucumber and parsley together in a clean bowl. Their colors and scents already promise something magical. Pour in 200 milliliters of pure water to blend their benefits. This simple step transforms the mix into a potent tonic. Grind the mixture until it's silky and smooth in texture. The more it blends, the more goodness is released. Strain the mixture slowly, letting the liquid flow through. You'll notice a fresh green juice that smells like a garden. Set aside the leftover herbal pulp in a small bowl. We'll turn it into a nourishing skin-softening mask. Add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to the parsley residue. This adds a burst of brightness and purity to the mask. Lemon helps whiten and unify your skin tone naturally. It works gently but effectively to refresh your complexion. Packed with vitamin C, lemon encourages collagen renewal. Your skin becomes firmer, smoother, and more youthful. It also helps reduce oiliness and clears out clogged pores. A simple touch for a clean, breathable complexion. Now add 2 tablespoons of creamy liquid milk to the mix. This softens the mask and adds extra soothing moisture. Milk hydrates while keeping the skin supple and smooth. It also gives the mixture a silky, luxurious texture. Blend all ingredients until they unite into a rich cream. The aroma will remind you of fresh mornings in nature. Gently spread this nourishing mask across your face and neck. Feel its cooling touch sink in and start working instantly. Leave it on for a full 15 minutes so it can work deeply. This quiet pause is your time to simply relax and breathe. When the time is up, rinse your skin with fresh water. You'll notice a softer, more luminous reflection in the mirror. Take the strained parsley cucumber juice and add lemon juice. This becomes our brightening toner, ready for daily use. Pour the toner into a clean spray bottle for easy application. It's perfect for quick refreshes during the day. Mist it lightly over your skin, letting it absorb naturally. Its cool touch will instantly revive tired features. This gentle toner can also remove light makeup with ease. It cleanses without stripping your skin of its softness. For best results, use this toner twice each day. Morning and evening rituals will keep your skin glowing. Store the toner in your fridge to keep it fresh for a month. Each spritz will feel like a cool breath on your skin. Now we move to making a creamy moisturizer with cucumber juice. This will lock in all the freshness from your toner. Place 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice into a small bowl. Its purity will be the heart of this nourishing blend. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to soothe and heal. It instantly comforts and repairs stressed skin. Aloe vera's deep hydration reaches every thirsty cell. It also helps reduce redness and minor irritation. Mix until the cucumber and aloe merge into a smooth gel. This is the first layer of your skin's defense against dryness. Add a spoonful of lemon juice for brightness and vitality. Its gentle acidity keeps your skin looking fresh and clear. Finish with a few drops of vitamin E for extra protection. It's like wrapping your skin in a shield of nourishment. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals before they cause harm. This keeps your complexion smooth and youthful longer. Blend everything together into a light yet rich cream. It should glide easily when applied to the skin. Massage it gently into your face and neck each evening. It works overnight to smooth lines and hydrate deeply. Transfer the cream into a clean, small jar for storage. This keeps it fresh and easy to use daily. Store it in your refrigerator to preserve its freshness. Each application will feel cool and calming on your skin. Thank you for joining me on this self-care journey today. May your skin always reflect the beauty you feel inside.